Okay, so now we're gonna change the battery on this Chrysler remote. This is for a 2006 Chrysler Town & Country. New battery right here. So we're going to proceed to open the housing unit. For that I'm gonna use this coin, and right here there is a little open slot right here, so I'm gonna pry it open. Okay. Alright. Here's the battery. As you can see on this, the flat side is down, so I'm gonna pry this out. I'm gonna try to use this. Oh, there it is. Remember, it goes like this. So I'm gonna grab the new battery. And goes like this, right? Flat side down. Push it in. Put the two housing parts together. Line them up and press all around to lock it. What? Something is not right here. Okay. There it is. The battery was placed.